In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about box plots, okay? Just all in one section here. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha kept track of the number of cookies ordered each day at her bakery, the box plot shows the results. What fraction of the orders were between 3 and 12? So we have the number of orders each day. Okay, so there were 3 on one day, 3 the next, 7 the next, 8 the next, and so on. Okay, so to answer this, we need to understand all the aspects of a box plot. Okay, so here we have the minimum. So these numbers are arranged from least to greatest, notice. So our minimum is 3 and our maximum is 18, okay? So this is the box plot and this is the number line that represents all the numbers here, okay? So now let's talk about the median. We know the median means the middle, right? The median is the middle of the data. There are 5 numbers on the right of the line and 5 numbers on the left of the line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the middle. And if you remember, to calculate the median, if it's right in the middle, you have to take these two numbers, divide by 2 to get the median number, okay? Which is right here. So it's 8 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so you take this, 8 plus 10 divided by 2 equals 9, okay? So that's the median. Now, Q1 is the middle of the first half of the data, okay? So you take the first half of the data, and the middle of that is our first quartile, Q1, okay, which is right here, 7. Then for Q2, the second quartile, you take the second half of the data, right? And the middle number is Q2, which is 12, which is right here, okay? Q2 is the middle of the second half of the data, so the second quartile. So from the minimum to Q1, that's 25% of the data, okay? Then we could see that here. This is 25% of the data. Then this is the next 25% of the data. And that corresponds to this amount here. This is the other 25% of the data. Then the third piece of 25% is here, right? And then that is here. That's the third 25% is here. And the fourth 25% is the last piece here. Okay, 25%. So now we want to know what fraction of the orders were between 7 and 12. So between 7 and 12, we have 25% and 25%. So that means 50%. So the fraction of the orders that were between 7 and 12 is half, or 50%. And the final piece of information you need to know about this box plot is the interquartile range. So if you're ever asked to figure out the interquartile range, that means you subtract Q1 from Q2. Okay, that's the interquartile range. So that means just 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. And that's it. That's all you need to know about box plots. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.